So this is what you have to do when you can find some of the apps you've already installed on your device. This is what you have to do. You just have to follow me step by step and try this on your phone, and it's going to work. If you find it difficult, just let me know in the comment section and I'm going to help you out with it. So first of all, go to your phone menu like this and scroll down to the S section. So when you get over here, you are going to see this. So tap on your phone settings over here. This is the phone settings, so tap on it. Now you have to tap over here on the app management, and when you get over here, what you have to do is to tap on this app list over here, and you can see it's loading. So after loading, what you have to do is to just tap on these three dots at the top right corner. Now this is going to top up. You're going to see show system reset app preference, so tap on reset app preference. Now you're going to see reset app preference, and this is going to tell you more details about the reset app preference. So when this pops up on your phone screen, just tap on the reset apps over here. So just tap over here. So after tapping on it, everything is going to work perfectly. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope this video have been helpful. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Share this video with your friends, and don't forget to ask questions in the comment section down below. See you in the next one. Bye.